Today, I'm going to show you how to add columns in Wix using the editor. Columns let you place text, images, or buttons side by side, making your page easier to scan and better organized. Let's get started. First, you'll need a strip. Columns can only be added inside strips. If you already have one, click until you see the blue strip label. If not, click Add Elements in the left sidebar, choose Strip, and drag a layout onto your page. Now let's add columns. If your strip is empty, click Layout in the strip toolbar, then select Add Column. If your strip already has columns, click Manage Columns and choose Add Column. You can add up to 5 columns per strip. Now let's adjust their width. Click Layout again and use the presets to adjust the spacing as you want it, with even or uneven widths. You can also style your columns by clicking a column and then choosing Change Background. Here you can add a color, image, or even video to make sections stand out. Now add your content. Click Add Elements in the sidebar, then drag in text, images, or buttons. Drop them directly into a column and customize them as needed. Once they're there, you can shift them around anytime. Finally, always check how it looks on mobile. Click Mobile View at the top of the editor. Columns stack vertically on smaller screens, so this is a good time to adjust the spacing or hide anything that feels crowded. That's it! You've just added and customized columns in Wix. Remember, once you've made a layout you like, save it so you can reuse it across other pages. Thanks for watching.